Welcome to the Next Markets video tutorial series. To open a new trade, select My Trading after logging into the platform. Simply specify the product you would like to trade. We have selected the German DAX, and the chart of the DAX is loaded. Click on Go Short should you expect the price to fall, or Go Long if you expect the price to rise. As an example, we open a long trade. On the deal ticket shown, please set the quantity. The Next Markets platform will calculate the required margin to open the trade in real time. Clicking on the Place Order button will open the trade. The window shown gives you an overview summarizing the details of the trade placed. Benefit from our renowned trading experts. Next Markets. Smarter investing.